Hey, welcome back. Tophat Smoking Barbecue. What we're going to do today is something a little different. We're going to do smoked firecracker 4th of July shrimp. Got this recipe from Mr. Make It Happen, and then now we're going to go check his recipe out. We're going to do our little twist on it. We're going to, we got to put some smoke on our stuff since we are a smoking channel. So get yourself some nice sized shrimp like this. Or if you don't like shrimp so big, you can cut it in half. You can have smaller bites. We're going to shell these. So fortunately, these were already deveined, so we don't have to worry about that. We're just going to take them out. We're going to lay them on this rack, and we're going to take them over to our smoker. We're going to put them on smoke for about a half an hour. Just smoke. We got a little cold smoker from Masterbuilt. We don't have to put any heat. We're just going to put some cherry wood in there and going to get some nice smoke on it. Then we're going to come back and show you how we're going to make our whole concoction to make these firecracker shrimp. We want to thank our buddy Sean Toohey for watching all our videos, and this is for Sean. Saw him the other night, and we appreciate him watching it. So this is for you, Sean. All right, we're going to get these peeled up. We'll meet you over at Meat Town. All right, we have all our shrimp peeled, as you can see. I guess if you haven't noticed yet, it is 4th of July weekend, so that's the outfit. We're going to put some Old Bay, because that's what we do, on our shrimp. Give it a little seasoning, and we also will have other seasonings and stuff. We'll show you that when we come back in here. We're in the garage because it's been off and on rain all day today. But we are going to take this shrimp out to Meat Town. We're going to put it on a smoker, and then we'll get you back in here and show you what our next step is. All right, welcome to Meat Town. As you can see, we've been smoking ribs. We've got stuff going on out here like crazy. We got ribs in here. We did some ribs over here. We are going to put these on this Masterbuilt here. This over here is a cold smoker. All it's doing is putting smoke in here. So we're not cooking either. Look at that. That's crazy, man. So we're going to put these shrimp in here about a half an hour. And just get some smoke on them. So, excuse me. So we'll see you back in a half hour. Alright, while the shrimp's out there getting the smoke on it, we're going to come in here and we're going to make our chili sauce. We've already put 1 cup of Frank's Red Hot Sweet Chili Sauce. You can get anything, but Frank's is good stuff. We've already put that in there and we zested 2 lemons. So what we also are going to do is we have garlic and ginger paste. All the stuff will be in the description down below. So we're going to put garlic and ginger paste in here. We're going to put some honey in here. Honey in there, and then we're going to squeeze 2 lemons in there. It's going to end up being about a couple tablespoons of lemon, and we will get that seed out when we're done squeezing. And once we do that, we'll whisk it all together. Probably smart people would probably seed their lemons before they do this. We're not the smartest people. All right, and what we're going to do, we're going to whisk this all up. Set it to the side. This is going to go on the shrimp at the end. Now I got to get all these seeds out of there. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're just going to whisk this all up together. Just like that. And that's going to go on the shrimp when it's done. So this is going to be a little bit of a sweet and a little bit of heat firecracker shrimp. So next what we're going to do is we're going to get the dry powder together, and we'll show you that in a second. Alright, here we are. We're going to make our dredge, our powder. We're going to go to a half cup of just regular all-purpose flour. Nothing fancy. There you go. Now we're going to go with a cup of cornstarch. This is going to make the shrimp nice and crispy. So, cornstarch in there. Alright. spoon, whatever you want. Just mix it all together. All you're going to be doing is dredging your shrimp and your eggs into here. You get the gist. So we'll get you back here in a second, and we'll show you how to make the eggs dredge, and then we'll be ready to roll. All right, here we are. We're going to do our little egg concoction here. So we're going to put 4 eggs in here. And 1 more egg. All right. Now we're going to put some, I'm going to get a rag first. We're going to put some Old Bay hot sauce in there. It is Firecracker shrimp, but we want it to be a little spicy. Just no rhyme or reason how much you put in there, just so you think it's good enough. Then we're going to put just salt, pepper, garlic. It's my own concoction. You can put some onion powder in it if you want, but I'm just going salt and pepper, garlic. Alright, just whisk this up. And we're going to get the shrimp out of the smoker here shortly, and then we'll show you what we're going to do. Alright, back out here at Meat Town, we're going to take our shrimp off the smoker. Like I said, I haven't been cooking it, we've just been smoking it. So we're going to go ahead and get this off the smoker. Get ready for the money shot here. Check it out. That's what it's all about here in Meat Town. So take these back in to the deep fryer, and we'll show you what's going to happen. Alright, here we are. We got the deep fryer going. If you don't have a deep fryer, just put some oil in a frying pan, medium high heat, get up to about 350, put your shrimp in there. But we have a deep fryer. You put the shrimp in here, let it dredge off a little bit, just put it in there like that. You get it just like that. We're going to do probably 6 of them at a time. That way we can keep it manageable. You overcrowd your oil, sometimes you get problems. They stick together and stuff like that. And cornstarch makes that nice and fluffy, which also helps it be crispy when we're done. We're going to show you when we're done what we do. A little different than what some people do. This one nice and golden color. And get that chili sauce on there. Try them out. This is how you do your firecracker shrimp. Alright, we got this up to 350, between 350 and 375. We're just going to drop it down. A couple minutes, we'll be back. Show you what's going on. Alright, here we are back over at the fryer. It's been only about 2.5 minutes. Get yourself an instant read thermometer. It helps. You want to be at least 145 for plenty. 174, it's great. What you want to do with your shrimp here is you want to just take it off, but don't put it on a paper towel. You want these things to stay crispy, because when you put the sauce on it, you don't want it just to be like mush. So the paper towel trick is not good for this. So here's how you want to do this. Just like this. Leave these sit here for a few seconds. Then we're going to take them over. We'll plate them up and show you the end result. So we'll see you back over at the table. Alright, here we are. We're back over here. 4th of July plate. So what we're going to do is we're going to put these shrimp here. Just like this. Now you can dunk it in here, but what we're going to do is we're just going to drizzle the sauce on it. Just give each one a little bit. We don't want to get them soggy, but hey man, if you want to get them in there, feel free. They're nice and light looking and got a good thing. We'll flip them over, get some on the back side. Good stuff here. Getting you close up for you. Alright. There you go. And then what we want to do here, give them a pop. So, we're going to put some bacon bits on here. This is real bacon. Fry bacon and do it. Don't get that crap out of the bottom of the store. Take time to put some real bacon on these things. There you go. And then we got some green onion for chives, just to make it look pretty. There you go. This is 4th of July smoked firecracker shrimp. Let's see what we did. It can't be done. You gotta make this. This is ridiculous. We want to thank you, Mr. Make It Happen. That's where I got this recipe at, and we added the smoke. You can taste the smoke. You just gotta cook this. This is worth the effort. There it is. Sean Tilly, this is for you. Happy 4th of July, everybody.
Hey, hope you liked that video. It was a lot of fun to make. Hope you guys try it out. If you'd like to subscribe, click here. If you want to watch some more videos, click here. So Tophat Smoke and Barbecue, we thank you.